Good morning, guys. I'm on my way somewhere and there's a freight train, so hopefully I have time to talk. But look at this. There's a guy almost like on the tracks. He's in front of the thing you're supposed to be behind. That I would not want to be that close to a freight train. Don't stop on railroad tracks. You'll get hit by a train. Anyway, school is fine. Pretty normal day. Right now I'm going to a thing that you guys just don't even know about, but I'm going to it. That it won't take too long, and then I'll go back home. And then I have karate tonight. I might go to karate. I might not, because I have some homework I need to get to. So we'll see what happens with that. Either way, it's not going to be the most exciting vlog. It's a boring school day. What can I say? But I'm here for you guys' faces. Maybe something will happen. I'm glad this person didn't get hit by a train. That's always a good thing. But maybe something else exciting will happen. So we'll just have to wait and see. Yeah, so today just wasn't a vlog day, because I didn't do anything. I'm not going to pretend it was a vlog. I think the word vlog deserves more dignity than that. It was just a nice little video I made for you guys for today. Back to the vlogs tomorrow. I'm not going to prolong whatever this is. I hope you had a great day. I have my in your faces, and I'll see you tomorrow for a vlog.